Dashboard lights can be confusing and worrisome. There's so many of them. What do they all mean? Don't worry, they are not all bad. We made this video to help you understand the meaning. How do warning lights work? When you start your car, you will notice the lights on the dash come on all together. This is to check that all the bulbs and connected components are working as they should. These should turn off after a few seconds, but if one or more stay illuminated, it is to warn of potential problem. Warning lights can also come on whilst driving. If this happens, depending on the color and icon displayed, you may have to pull over and investigate at your first safe opportunity to do so. A yellow-orange warning lights indicate a problem that needs to be serviced soon. Brake pad warning light. If this light comes on, it means a sensor has detected that your brake pads are too thin. This warning light should come on before the brake pads become dangerously thin, so you have time to get them changed. You should replace your brake pads as soon as you can though, as if they wear out completely it could be extremely dangerous. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.